Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this ZURU Pets Alive Magic Bunny unboxing set. My daughter has already had this for over 3 months now, and this is a great toy to have because it gives them a nice surprise and it shows them that some of the toys have some magic into it. Let's get into it and let me show you how it works and what it does. So you can see this is how the product comes. You can see the magic bunny ears right here. The bunny ears are nice and soft. And once you put the magic wand, then these ears right here, they light up. So you can see here's some speakers on the hat. Here is where you put the magic wand once you get it out. So on the other side is where the magic wand is stored. So you pull this out right here, and then your little one would put the magic wand right on the star. So let me show you. So my daughter's gonna put the magic wand on the star. You see, so you do it a few times and it's going to give like a red light. After the 4th or 5th time that it's going to open up. So you just tap it like this. You see how it's turning red? Okay, so you're going to tap it a few more times. See how it's turning green? So that means that the hat is going to unlock itself now. So once you start hearing the motors move, then you lift up the hat. So you lift up the hat, and then the surprise is the bunny is showing itself. So then once you pull the bunny out, you can see you got to pull it hard, hold down the base, and then you can see once you pull it, the confetti pops up from the hat. So that gives them the extra surprise right there. And then once the surprise comes out, here's your bunny. It's attached right here by this cord. So all you have to do is just pull this off if you want to use the bunny. You see how it pulls out? So the bunny, it lights up. So it's a nice surprise. And then also you could still wave the wand on the bunny's nose and you see how the ears light up. And then inside it comes with some extra confetti if you want to redo the surprise again. And it comes with some stickers that you could put on your different items. And then also, if your little one waves the magic wand on the star here, they give them another surprise. And it comes with 2 figurines right here that they glow in the dark and they change color in the water and with the light. So now if you want to give your little one the surprise again or somebody else a surprise, you will add the confetti inside the little holes right here, and then you would reset the trigger, which is right here. You push it all the way down, and then you attach this cord to the plug right here. And then this comes with the batteries already. And here's your on and off switch if you're just going to use the bunny by itself. So you unplug it, and then you're going to put it down this way. And then you're going to lower the bunny ears, and then it's going to lock itself. And now the hat won't come up, and then you just repeat the process. You put it close to the star. You do it a few times. And then on the 5th time, it's going to turn blue. See? So it turns on. And then you wait for the motor to start to unlock the hat. You pull it out. And then once you pull the bunny hard enough, the confetti will pop up. See, like so, and all the confetti comes out. So it's a great surprise for your kids. So you can see how my daughter is playing with it. So it's a great toy for kids that love magic and that love bunnies, and they could keep on playing with this over and over and over again. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great Pets Alive Magic Bunny set. I like how it gives a great surprise when you first open it up, And I also like how it comes with extra confetti, so you could keep on giving little ones the surprise over and over, because you could just refill it with the confetti. And the bunny feels nice and soft. I like all the interactive features that the bunny has, and I also like all the little surprises that it comes. So this is a great product for your little ones.